On today's episode of Home Care Digital, we're talking about how to get more Google reviews. Whenever you go to Amazon, what's the first thing that you look at? You look at the reviews, right? Have you ever done this? I was having a conversation with my brother and he was looking to buy ski goggles and I made a comment to him, what? Only 25 reviews? Don't even bother. When it comes to Amazon, you're always looking for somebody that has an immense amount of reviews. You want that social proof. Hey, this is a quality product. There's so many people that have said it. And look, it's the strength in the numbers. Getting more of those 5-star reviews is an essential piece to getting those reviews, all right? Getting more of them, right? That's what we want to do. We want to get more reviews. Whenever I get this question, it's so funny. If somebody says, what do I do when I get a bad review? My answer is always get more good ones. So what can you do? The first thing to consider, right, is how many reviews do you have on your website currently? How many Google reviews? That's another aspect of this, and I'll get to how to get more in a second. But when it comes to reviews, think about on your website. Do you have 5 reviews on your website that are just featured on there? Probably, because your website was probably made 3 years ago and you haven't changed and updated testimonials. When it comes to a testimonials page and Google reviews, you wanna have as many as possible. You want someone to come to that page and go, wow, there are so many here. Many of my students, one of my students mentioned that my testimonials page, that is what convinced him to sign up. He came to my website, looked at my testimonials page and said, wow, look at all these testimonials. So when it comes to your website, now Google reviews is different. I don't have as many Google reviews. I've had some issues that I'm working on, but I don't own those Google reviews. And so I have a different strategy in getting reviews outside of Google, which is how I'm able to have the landing page that I do. But again, when you think about your website, think about getting more reviews and putting all of them on your site. Every single review that's good, put it on there. Stack it up. People aren't gonna read them all, of course not. But it's the numbers itself that's going to make it powerful where people are gonna go with you, all right? So how can we get more? Well, the first thing is simply ask for them. Asking for reviews on a consistent basis. Create a strategy around it. When are you doing it? The second thing we want to do is we want to make it easy. So one of the things that you can do to get more reviews is getting printouts. It can be a business card. It can be a little sheet. It can be paper, whatever it is, with a QR code that directs them directly to where you want to get them to post their review. What's smart about this is when you have something physical, it can be easy to just leave in the home. You can give it to your caregivers to drop off, right? So there's these little things that you can do and it makes it super easy. QR codes became so popular during the pandemic that everyone knows how to use them. So you wanna make sure you're using QR codes. And again, it's super simplistic because you can't even, if you're trying to direct them to Google, it's like a weird link, right? You know, and it's sometimes hard to find, but we can use that Google link and on a QR code so that it makes it easy for them to scan and then go there and post a great review for you. The other way is automate this. Hopefully you have some type of CRM that you can set up where after, let's say 3 months of them being on services, it automatically sends them an email that says, hey, we'd love to hear your feedback. Boom, now you're getting reviews without even trying because you create a system that automates it. So when you want to get more reviews, remember these 3 things. Ask for them, make it easy, automate it. This will get you more reviews. Do you want to learn how so many people just like you are getting incredible results on social media? Then you have got to check out my brand new free training, Social Media Success, where you're going to learn the 5 biggest mistakes home care business owners are making and how you can avoid them. All you gotta do is go to thedigitalchamps.com/social and start watching today.